Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing crypto investing, and so cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, things like Ethereum. Not really going to get into detail exactly which type of crypto we're talking about, but just sort of crypto generally. A recent article from Zero Hedge, that's zerohedge.com, article is titled, IRS Launches Crackdown to Ensure Crypto Investors Pay Their Taxes. I do happen to know that a lot of the expat community is way more exposed to crypto per capita than folks that do not live abroad. So I thought this might actually be of some use to folks. Again, this is zerohedge.com. IRS launches crackdown to ensure crypto investors pay their taxes. Quoting directly, yesterday's news that the DOJ and IRS are digging into Binance and Whispers about allegations of tax fraud, manipulation, and AML, that's anti-money laundering violations, was just the latest indication from the government that it is taking enforcement of securities taxes tied to crypto wealth very seriously. In case that wasn't already clear, Wall Street Journal published a story in its, quote, tax report, unquote, section, with the federal tax deadline just days away at May 17th, reminding readers that the IRS under President Joe Biden is coming for your crypto wealth, and those that don't cough it up might be subject to harsh penalties, both financial and criminal. Quoting further, it starts by reminding readers that 2 IRS investigations to catch crypto tax cheats targeting various exchanges have been launched in recent months. Quoting further, with these summonses and other actions, the IRS is mounting a full court press to show taxpayers how seriously it takes cryptocurrency compliance, says Dan Fort, a former chief of IRS criminal investigation. So, the reason for bringing this up is I have noticed a lot of things with respect to tax, and we haven't done a lot of talk on tax here on this channel recently, most notably because there's been a lot of other things to talk about. But the thing that I think I want to convey most in this channel is I hope everybody, keeps themselves in compliance, especially with respect to their tax liability. But something to bear in mind moving forward is this administration seems pretty serious about tax collection. They've at least, I don't know if it's gone through already, but they've at least presumptively, or they're proposing budgetary increases for the IRS, substantial ones. In fact, the last thing I read said it was like to the tune of like $80 billion. So that would be a huge infusion of money into the IRS system that would presumably allow them to upgrade, especially with respect to auditing and enforcement. Now, how exactly this plays out, when exactly this plays out, all of that's going to be very factually dependent, but anybody that has a lot of exposure to cryptocurrency and has made a lot of gains with respect to that, it's probably a good idea to get in compliance if you're not already sooner rather than later. It's way better strategically to, as they say, an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. And in this circumstance, I think that no phrase could put it more accurately than what we're dealing with here, because if you sort of just let this slide and think that it's going to be all okay, the kind of money and the kind of resources that are being brought to bear inside of IRS, I think in the coming years are going to be substantial. And so folks that do that may find themselves in a really negative position or a disadvantageous position with respect to their relationship with the Internal Revenue Service.